For only 10,000 per month, pwede ka nang mag-start ng condo investment mo dito sa Bonifacio Global City. And yung property na ire-recommend ko sa'yo ay si Uptown Modern. So this property is a pre-selling and kaka-launch pa lamang niya. So base price ka pa makakapag-invest dito sa property na ito. And ang maganda dito, no spot down payment siya o wala kang ilalabas na malaking halaga para makapag-purchase. Magmamonthly ka lamang for 6 years and since no spot down payment ito, magkakaroon tayo ng annual lump sum which is 0% interest rate naman siya. Ang maganda dito, annually siyang nagpa-price increase. To set your expectation kung bakit magandang mag-invest dito is malapit tayo sa Uptown Parade, Uptown Mall, Landers BGC, Mitsukoshi Mall, and sa mga international schools and offices, and malapit din tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center. And ang pinakamalaking development dito is a subway station which is connected to NAIA with only 6 stations lamang from the location. And ito yung most recommendable natin na unit dito sa Uptown Modern, which is studio unit with 44.5 square meter, semi-furnished na siya, and with balcony pa. This property is open for Airbnb and long-term rental. Plus, perpetual ownership na siya and of course, pet-friendly din itong property na to. Inquire now.